Una sa ating mga balita, suspended until further notice. Diyan nagtapos ang mahigit 11 oras na pagdinig ng Senado sa extrajudicial killings na dinuluhan ng mga polis na iniuugnay sa umano'y Davao Death Squad. Ito ay matapos magkaroon ng tensyon sa pagitan ng mga senador kasunod ng biglaang pag-alis ng testigong si Edgar Matubato at ang umano'y material concealment na ginawa ni Senador Laila De Lima. Ang ulat mula kay Marita Muahe.
Mr. Chairman, I believe we're now splitting hairs. Initially, your accusation was very, very clear that he did not.
Oh, I'm not withdrawing it. Not on your life, boy.
Oh, well,
I'm not withdrawing
well,
it.
you're mistaken, and
No,
you're showing your bias, Mr.
Let me
Chairman.
very clear. Let me
You're
be
showing
very
your
clear.
bias as the chairman,
Bias?
and
bias?
Mr. Chairman, the apology is warranted. An apology is warranted,
I will
Mr.
tell you the
Chairman.
concealment.
Mr.
I will tell you the concealment.
I could not have concealed it because it was disclosed already.
Okay, I will let you melt down and have the floor. All you want.
And
We will
since no apology is forthcoming, I'm walking out.
Biglang nag-init ang Senate hearing ng Ethics Committee on Justice and Human Rights nang lumabas ang issue na may pending case pala ng kidnapping with ransom ang witness na si Edgar Matubato at bigla na lang nalaman na nakaalis na pala ito ng Senado. Lalo pang nag-init si Senator Richard Gordon, chairman ng komite, nang malaman niya na alam pala ni Senator Laila De Lima ang tungkol sa kaso at hindi man lang nito sinabi.
I cannot let that pass.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair, Madam.
is there an insinuation
That's not an insinuation. It is a fact.
that we deliberately
That is a fact.
allowed or we deliberately...
lawyer.
I didn't even know that he left already.
I'm a lawyer, and I know.
I didn't even
I know
know.
that there are vital facts in my case. When I'm presenting a case, when I'm presenting here, I have 4 or 5 people here telling me, in case I forget, what we reviewed. And something as significant as that a witness came here, accusing people here that together with a sergeant, with the SPO4, he garroted, he chopped down a victim. And yet, we are in possession, one of our colleagues is in possession of a note that says he was charged by the NBI. That is material concealment.
Bigla namang bumalik sa session hall si Senator Antonio Trillanes na siyang may protective custody kay Matubato. Ayon dito, siya ang nagdesisyon na paalisin na si Matubato ng mas maaga dahil sa delikado na ma-compromise ang seguridad nito kung aabuti ng gabi sa daan. Hindi naman tinanggap ni Gordon ang paliwanag na ito sapagkat ayon dito, ang order ng chair ay manatili ang witness sa compound ng Senado para maiharap anumang oras na kailanganin nito.
You heard me apologize to the police earlier that you have been here. You heard me apologize to all the witnesses that we've been calling here. So Matubato has no call to leave the Senate.
Mr. Chairman,
I will just finish. If he left the Senate, he should have asked permission.
Sinabi rin ni Trillanes na walang material concealment katulad ng pag-akusa ni Gordon kay De Lima dahil nasabi umano ito ni Matubato sa naunang hearing. Gayunpaman, sinabi ni Gordon na dapat sana ay sinabi pa rin ito ni De Lima. Dahil naman sa akusang ito ay nag-walk out si De Lima. Hindi niya umano matatanggap ang bintang na ito ni Gordon sa kanya.
Puro na lang, lahat na lang. Hindi ko na po gusto yan. Sa house, ginagawa sa akin yan. Kung ano-anong mga binibintang nila. Tapos dito, ganun din. Imagine that, narinig niyo yun. Material concealment, my God. That's a very serious accusation.
Dahil na rin sa mga kaganapang ito ay sinuspinde ang nakatakdang hearing ngayong araw until further notice. Sa interview kay Gordon na paglabas nito sa session hall, inamin ito na hindi niya maiwasan na isipin na iba ang agenda ni De Lima at Trillanes.
Ang agenda talaga si Duterte.
Para sa PTV News, Marita Muahe.
Hi, ako si Ria Fernandez. Mag-subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang ang subscribe button.